What's the meaning of Arthurian? Arthurian. Arthurian.
Arthurian. Arthurian. Arthurian refers to something relating to King Arthur or his legendary court at Camelot. It is commonly used to describe stories, legends, and literature that are associated with King Arthur and his Knights of the Round Table. The term is also used in various other contexts, such as describing art, architecture, or other cultural elements that are inspired by Arthurian legend. Overall, Arthurian is an adjective that denotes a strong association with the legendary figure of King Arthur and the mythology that surrounds him.